Ever wondered how to turn your ideas into money? How to transform those brilliant flashes of creativity into a tangible asset? Welcome to the intricate world of intellectual property. Intellectual property, or IP, is a term often thrown around in business circles. But what does it really mean? Simply put, it's a legal term that refers to creations of the mind, like inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. So, how does one acquire intellectual property? The first step is creation, the development of an original work, design, invention, or concept. Whether it's a song, a new type of technology, or a brand logo, the key is originality. Once you've created your work, you can file for protection under the appropriate category: copyright for literary and artistic works, patent for inventions, and trademark for symbols, names, and images used in commerce. Now you've got your intellectual property. How do you monetize it? Monetization can come in various forms. For instance, you can directly sell products or services that incorporate your intellectual property. Think of a designer selling clothes featuring their unique designs, or an author selling books they've written. Licensing is another lucrative avenue for monetizing intellectual property. By licensing your intellectual property, you grant permission for another party to use your work in exchange for an agreed payment. This could be a one-time fee or ongoing royalties. Licensing can open up new markets and create a steady stream of income without you having to lift a finger. Finally, selling your intellectual property can be a gold mine. This is where you transfer ownership of your IP to another party, typically for a substantial sum. For instance, in 2017, the creator of Pepe the Frog sold the intellectual property rights to Matt Fury for a whopping $15 million. Take a moment to let that sink in. $15 million for a frog meme, that's the power of intellectual property. So, to summarize the journey of intellectual property, it begins with the creation of an original work, design, invention, or concept. This is then protected under the appropriate category of intellectual property law. Monetization can be achieved through direct sales, licensing, or selling the intellectual property outright. Remember, intellectual property is not just a legal term, it's a powerful tool that can transform your ideas into a lucrative asset. So, whether you're an artist, an inventor, or a business mogul, understanding and leveraging intellectual property can open up a world of financial possibilities. So next time you have a spark of creativity, don't just brush it off as a fleeting thought. Nurture it, protect it, monetize it. Who knows? Your intellectual property could be the next $1 million idea.